1 Missing Borough, 715 Old Mill Road, crossing Cambridge Avenue and High Road, at Cambridge Commons, apartment E Echo 25, structure fire, reportedly smoke throughout the apartment. Station 79, Station 85, Tower 79, Ladder 64, Engine 85, Engine 69, Engine 36, Engine 57, 11 for Wit, Medic 6521. Line of Borough, 715 Old Mill Road, between Cambridge Avenue and High Road, at Cambridge Commons, apartment E Echo 25. Structure fire, reportedly smoke throughout the apartment. Incident operations will be on Fire Ops 1 after response 1817.
Captain 79, I'm clearing to the arrival of Deputy 85.
Tower 79, copy, you're on location. Two-story apartment building, smoke showing from the second floor. Captain 79 will have command until 85 arrives, 1822.
Alright, we're going to have a hydrant on Old Mill Road. We're going to go to Jacksonville.
That's your engine 85, copy of the hydrant on Old Mill Road, 1826.
Eric's engine 57, hour 5.
Get another line to the first floor apartment. Get a line to the first floor apartment. Copy, we're forcing a couple times. We're forcing a couple.
Jump 79, Deputy 85. We are making access to the adjacent apartments at this time on the ground level.
79, Tower 79 driver urgent. Have 85 crews go to the deck on the second floor, utility room, story bowl. Got fire coming out, about to hit the east. So there'll be second division, they come out to the balcony, they move out the utility room, fire will be right in front of them.
6512, Line Missing Borough, Cambridge Commons, 715 Old Mill Road, apartment E Echo. J5 Scrappy, fires in the utility room in the balcony, number 2 division.
FC-85, Guy Christmas, Commander, you're going to take operations on the Charlie side.
That's correct. You copy the information on the utility wing, number 2 division?
Yeah, I'm looking at the utility wing. Looks like fire plane there this time. Can you get a hand for boost and rotation at battery transportation? And we also need to get some search and rescue done on the first floor.
Second 85, assistant 64 from the roof. Second 85. Second 85, we're trying to hold us throughout the whole roof, it's through the roof.